Hello guys, good morning and welcome to today's vlog. Today, first of all, I have to finish editing few videos and submit it to the brands for approval. So I'm gonna do that right now. So I'm planning on vlogging. So one thing I would like to mention here is that every day is not interesting. So what I'm thinking of like recording few interesting clips from every day and then club it together, make a vlog and share that with you, because if I share a daily vlog it will be like me just working, that's it. So I don't think that will be interesting for you guys to watch. So yeah, I'm gonna do that and see how it goes. So yeah, let me just finish the editing and then we will see what to do next. So I am in my studio space and I still do not have a proper desk setup. Let me show you what I'm working with. So I connected this laptop with this big monitor and as of now I'm making it work. This desk is little too small for me. I would like a little broader desk, so I'm looking to get one. If you guys have seen my Valentine lookbooks, this is where I shot. The room is huge because it is our master bedroom, but we converted this as a studio space because I have like a lot of big lights and stuff, so it needed space. And the media room which we had, we converted that one to our master bedroom. And I always wanted a room where I can just enter and get into work mode. That's what I am hoping this room would be. I do have to get a desk and I have to get a keyboard and a mouse too, because the previous one which I had stopped working. If you have watched my previous vlog, we ordered bunch of stuff for the home project and the laser level thing arrived today and we don't know how it works, so we are figuring it out. But yeah, it looks really cool and it will make life so easier instead of like going and manually measuring everything. Show the wall. Wait, here, can you do it here? Yeah, so this is the laser level. Looks super cool, isn't it? It does adjust by itself. This is the laser level we got. I'll be sharing everything in the DIY video though. So. Also, I got these faux olive branches from Amazon. It came in bunch of 3. I feel like this one looks really good over here. I had like dried flowers before, but then I thought of changing. So yeah, I really love this one, so I'm gonna link this one as well for you guys. Here is the entryway area. We put this mirror up yesterday. I had a plant over there. I'm still figuring out what to do. Here I have 2 baskets from Target. I have my essential oil diffuser here and then a few chocolates and just a picture here. I'm thinking of like doing a lamp here. We'll see how it goes. I'm going to do an updated entryway and dining room area tour once we finish the trims which we are planning. So yeah, stay tuned. And here we are planning on doing a lot of vertical trims, so we'll see how it goes. And I have here dried flowers. I'm looking for new inserts for the spring, so I will keep you guys posted if I find something interesting. So I wanted to show you this chandelier. I got this one from Amazon. We put this up yesterday, but I feel like this is little higher. I would like it to be little lower, like up to here maybe. So yeah, we have to redo it, but this one looks absolutely stunning, as you can see. So the bulb I have used in here, it's not very bright, but then it looks really nice in the night. It's very moody and warm, and yeah, I really love that look. Okay, so this is how this one looks in the night, and it's not totally night, but you get the idea. You guys, we have been just sitting here and we are going to order tools for the trims which I was talking about. If you guys are over my Instagram, you guys know that we have no experience when it comes to DIY or woodwork whatsoever, but I really wanted to do it. That's why I'm getting some tools today. So he is currently ordering those tools. We have been procrastinating on this for like few weeks now because we were like really like not sure about it, because as I said, we haven't used it before, and whatever work we want to do, that can be easily done by hand saw, but we are only 2 people and we both work full time, so it's gonna take a lot of time if you are using hand saw. So we thought miter saw is going to be a good option, just because I don't want to start something and just because it's taking so much time, I don't want to leave it in between. I just want to finish it. So we did a lot of planning beforehand. I have been watching videos for like from the time I closed this house. I am excited and nervous at the same time, because definitely there is going to be a learning curve with whatever you do, and we want to save a lot of time. That's why we are investing in tools. If you are somebody who is already doing woodwork or something, and if you have any tips, please let me know in the comments. But yeah, I'm gonna share my journey, what challenges, learning, and every little things whatever I can. So if you are somebody who are also in the same boat as us, who wants to do like DIY projects around the house, but you are first time DIYers, that videos can definitely help you guys. So also over Instagram stories I share like what I'm doing on daily basis. So if you are somebody who is interested in like home decor, lifestyle, fashion, beauty, and I basically share whatever I like. So yeah, I will leave my handle here. And as far as design is concerned, we have decided on what we are going to do in the living room, but when it comes to dining room, it's getting a little bit tricky, because if you have seen my empty house tour, I'm gonna link it here. In the dining room has faux ceiling and it has like square design. The accent wall I planned for the dining area was also like having square design. I'm gonna insert a picture here. But I'm feeling that square on the top and square in the front, it's gonna clash and it's not going to look great together. Maybe it will be too much, or might be it can look okay. I'm not a designer, but that's what I feel. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And one more reason why I'm rushing about doing trims in my living room is because our couch is arriving. That couch is big and heavy and it's light colored, so I want to save it from dust, and I feel like the couch is like super heavy, so moving it again and again will be such a task. Right now we have a couch from our apartment and that is not that heavy because it's obviously a small couch, so we can easily move that, do the trim. So yeah, that's the plan. I'm gonna vlog everything, whatever I do, how I'm choosing, what things you need, and everything in my next coming vlog. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Hello guys, so it's the next day. I was filming a YouTube video, so that's why I look all nice and dressed up. But here I was filming the video and you see this, all the mess here. I'm gonna clean it. But yesterday I went to pick up my mouse and keyboard for the laptop because it's giving me hard time. Yogi is like super mad because he didn't get to go out today because we got the grass treated outside, so he couldn't go out, so that's why he's mad. While we were coming back, we had good food yesterday. It was amazing. I think I have few clips, I'm gonna insert it here. We also picked up dessert while coming back, so this is here. Smells so good. It's a ice cream sandwich from Rumi's Kitchen. If you are from Atlanta area, definitely check that restaurant out. The only thing is they do not have much vegetarian options. They will have like 2-3 appetizer and only one, I think, in main course. Yeah, if you like non-veg, oh my god, they have like so many amazing options. So yeah, I'm gonna sit and enjoy this, clean this mess up, edit and post a vlog. So yeah, that's the agenda. What time it is? Okay, it's 7 o'clock in the evening. And I also wanted to show you this perfume which I recently got. It has citrus, it has a little bit of floral, vanilla. It's so gorgeous. If you're looking for a nice fragrance, definitely check this one out. I'm gonna link this one as well in my description box. But in short, this smells super expensive. I feel like I'm developing love for fragrances. So yeah, I'll be sharing many more in future. But right now I got my hands on these and I'm literally obsessed. Okay, so recently I picked up these items. This is a card reader. I really wanted this because it was pain to transfer the clips from the memory card. And then I have this keyboard. I got this magic mouse for myself. It will be really nice and handy for editing. So here is the magic mouse and this feels luxurious. I love the texture and I'm also loving the fact that they also gave this lightning cable with the mouse and the keyboard as well. And as you can see, the texture of this cable is different and it's way stronger than the plastic one. So yeah, Thank you, Apple, for doing this. You guys, so if you guys have seen my empty house tour video, we have an empty wall over here. What I figured that I'll get a mantle, like a wood mantle, since I have a lot of wood accents in here. So I got this. So I got this mantle from Etsy. I'm gonna link it. As you can see, this is like really nice, very rustic looking. So what we are going to do is I'm going to put this here so that this wall will be no more empty, and here we have our accent wall, so that's in progress right now. So I got these anchors from Tractor and Supply. This is how this looks. I'm gonna be using this. I'm gonna be using this right now. This area looks absolutely beautiful. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. But I feel like this is a little off. I'm gonna change it to a gold diffuser, and then it will be all nice and cohesive. So let me just go grab the gold diffuser. Okay, so here is the gold reed diffuser. This is also from LAFCO. I really like that brand. Let's see. What do you guys think? I think this is much better than the pink one. It was a little off. So I got this fireplace from Etsy, and it was really easy to put, as you guys saw. If you have any like plain wall just like this one, I feel like adding a nice mantle definitely elevates that space. Like, I'm waiting on completing this wall right here. Once it's done, I'm gonna show you this whole space is completely transformed. The reason why I chose this wood mantle is because our dining table, if you guys have seen, that is also wood, and our chandelier, that is gold and black. So that's the reason why I'm choosing here gold accents, black, and here is also black frame. As of now, I kept this painting over here. I'm not sure. We'll see if I want to change it in future, but as of now, I feel like this looks good because I do have lots of green and white in the home, and again I have a brass finish candle holder here, so I feel like everything looks nice and cohesive. Alright you guys, so it's a couple of days later, and today we are doing this exciting project. I have received the tools and everything, and I am vlogging this whole process on how we did it, what supplies you need and everything. So that is going to be coming in next few weeks, because first we have to finish this and then I have to edit the video. It's a long process. So as of now, this is how this looks like. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. And yeah, that's all for this week's vlog. I'm gonna see you in my next one. Bye.